Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico from the Creativity Cave. I'm super excited to stamp with you today because I have such cute projects. You just aren't even going to be able to handle it. I love them. And I am using this month's Paper Pumpkin kit, which is called A Little Smile. And this is such a fun kit. Paper Pumpkin is our subscription box service. And each month we have fabulous, fabulous projects that you can create with the items that come in your box. There's always a stamp set, an ink spot, and then supplies to make projects. This month we have these 16 little mini cards, and the idea behind it, actually, Stampin' Up! Even included this, is to share a little love. So just give a little, it says, it's making it easier to spread a little sunshine in the lives of people you know and those you don't. So there's these cute little hard cards, and it even comes with a little holder that you can put them in, so you could like stick the cards in your purse. Now they're small. The cards are a little bit small, but they're really sweet. So I thought we could make a couple of really cute things with this that you could then pass on to other people really easily, whether you're at the grocery store or just out and about, or you could pop some in the mail. So let me show you what we're gonna do. So first of all, let's just make one of the cards. First of all, they're ridiculously cute. I mean, I can't stress that part enough. So I'm just gonna grab some of the pieces, and oh no, that is the right one. So they come with all these die cut shapes. So like there's these, and look at, they're sparkly. I love it. So you can take a little starfish here. And then there are palm trees. This one's got a little beach attached to it. So let's just pull that one out because it's so cute. And then, I mean, look, they're even like, you pull the little in-between piece out. So it's really nice and classy. I mean, look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Like, I want just a bunch of these. But there's a couple cards that have palm trees on them, so they're pretty awesome. So I've got this. Sorry, this little piece is, my fingers aren't grabbing it. There we go. So this piece goes on, and you can see the cards are kind of small. So here's the card, and then we're just going to add this. Now the kit calls you to glue these right on, but you guys know I like to pop stuff up, so we're totally popping this up. Just because it's so stinking cute, right? Okay, so I'm going to put this on my little card like so. I mean, this is so easy. That's what I love about this. It's so easy. You don't have to think. So, okay, first of all, hello. I love it already. All right. Then it's also got these cute little die cut like coral vellum pieces, which are so cute. So I'll just pull one of these out. I love that everything just pops right out, so that's nice. Sorry, couldn't help it. Okay, and it comes with the Coastal Cabana spot. All right, but I think I used Crumb Cake. I don't know why. I just did. So I'm going to take one of the sentiments, and I like this. It says, just a little smile. So who wouldn't like getting this, okay? So I'll just stamp it on the little label that comes in the kit. And there's a whole bunch of them, so if you mess up, you've got a little room to fix that. Okay, and then I'm going to put a glue dot on. It comes with little dots, but I left them on the other table, so I'll just use my glue dots. All right, so I'm going to just stick this one kind of up here. And then my little starfish, I'm going to stick down here. Look, I even hid the dot. Okay. So, and then I'm going to put my little sentiment right over the top. I probably have to pop that up too, just because I can. That's why. All right. I know I get so excited about this, but gosh darn it, this is so cute. Okay, so I've got that. And then we're going to just embellish it with a cute little dot. So this is just one of the projects that comes in the kit. So that's perfect. But you know me, I like to take it up a notch. So wouldn't you smile? I mean, theoretically, wouldn't you smile a little more if, say, there was something awesome in this treat? So let me show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to take, once I get this bow tied, okay, I'm going to take and add my little bow. Oops, that one's too long. With another glue dot, I'm just going to roll this up like into a little log. See? Okay. And then stick that right on there. Okay, so that's adorable. And there's a little matching envelope. But wait, what if we took, and I'm going to cut this off so it's not a card anymore. Okay, so there is just my little card front. And now I'm going to take one of our note cards and envelopes. So this is a little bigger size. And you can either mail this. So this size is a little bigger, so you could mail it. So you can just cut the backing off and put it on like so. And you can do that with all the cards in this kit. So that's one way to turn this into a card. But wait, there's more. What if we took and made this into something a little sweet? Okay. So what if I took and closed my card with glue dots on the top and the bottom, boom and boom. Okay, I'm going to close my card like this. I've already done it. So I just closed it with a glue dot there and a glue dot there. Okay. Then I fashioned myself a little pocket of chocolate. Okay, so I put 2 Ghirardelli chocolate squares in a little gusseted cello bag. Okay, we've got these gusseted cello bags. And then I put a little piece of cardstock in here just to make it sturdy, you know. So there's just a piece of cardstock in there. And then I wrapped some twine around it. Well, I've got some of our flax ribbon, and then I tied it with the bow of that twine. The twine comes in your kit. Okay. And then look at this, you guys. Like, are you ready? Can you even handle this? You're going to stick it in there. And then it's a little treat pouch. So if you handed this to somebody on the street, don't you think they'd go crazy? You can even decorate the coordinating envelope and hand it out, you know, in an envelope as a gift. It's a little hard to shove it in there with this ribbon, I'm not going to lie, but you can make it work. Okay, so that's just one of my treats. Now I have another one. Okay, the other card is just making a full-sized card out of some of the things in the kit, because there's an adorable little stamp set that comes with this set. Okay, so I gotta grab one piece. A pool party card base. Okay, I've got a Soft Seafoam 4 by 5 1/4 inch layer that I'm going to adhere. I mean, this is so simple, you guys are not even going to handle it. Okay, then I thought, you know, it seems like we've got something in the catalog that is going to go with this. What could I include? So I grabbed my Sea of Textures stamp set and coordinating framelits. And I thought, ooh, I can totally incorporate these. So the framelits are pretty awesome. Here's some of the pieces. I've got a couple more. Here's the other one. So I die cut that net. I knew I wanted the net for sure. And I die cut that out of some vellum. And then I did some of this coral out of some pool party. So I've got these 2 pieces. Okay. And I'm just going to kind of tack them down on here. And actually, I think an easy way to do this, just because we're going to cover most of it up, is to just, I'm putting a little piece of, or a little strip of snail down, just because that makes it easy. Okay. And then what I'm going to do, though, is take a couple of the images from the stamp set. So there's a little coral, a little starfish, and whatnot. And I've got kind of a nice soft color combo. So I've got it, and it's so soft you can't even read it. It's Petal Pink, Soft Seafoam, and Pool Party. And I'll just stamp these on a little scrap of paper. Okay. So I'm going to do I've got my little sand dollar. I've got some kind of coral. And then I've got a little starfish. And these are just nice, subtle colors. But look at how cute that is. All right, I'm going to take and punch this just with a 2-inch circle. Boom, like so. And then I'm going to stamp my sentiment on here on just a little scrap. These are those leftover 1/2-inch strips that I've got from when I trimmed down my cardstock. Okay, so I'm going to stamp that sentiment on here that says, well, I'm going to do my day is better because of, well, actually that might not fit on there. I'll do the smile because it's sweet again. Okay, and I'll do that in Crumb Cake, just like before. Okay, so I'm going to trim it and put it right over the top of this, just so it's just a teensy bit longer than the circle itself. Okay, I don't normally use my ribbon scissors for this, but this time I will. Okay, so I'm going to adhere this to my card, but I'll pop this sentiment up because, I mean, let's be honest, it's adorable. And who doesn't like adorable? Just a little smile. Like, how would you not be smiling over this? Here, and I'm going to do it so you can see each piece a little bit better. Just like that. Okay, so let's put this just a little smile on our card here. I will add some liquid glue to the back. Stick that on there. And when I first did this, I was like, okay, that's cute, but it kind of needs something, like a little something. Okay, so I'm going to actually put this coral piece on. I'm just going to glue dot it because the glue dot's easy to tuck in there. So I'll just tuck that coral kind of in behind. So there we go. And then, of course, the best part is to take one of these sand dollars off my sheet of shimmer. And I'm going to just tuck one of these in here as well, right behind our little circle. So it looks super cute like that. And look at how cute that card is. So I've created 2 fun projects with my kit. This one is a full-size card, and then this is either, it could be a card or a treat holder. So how awesome is that? So I hope you loved my projects. Now, next month, there are going to be cards that coordinate with 3 different suites in the catalog. There's one, actually, I don't remember all of them, but one is the sailing set. They're going to be cards. So if you would like to subscribe, please subscribe through me, because every month I send you alternative ideas for ways to use your kits just like this, so you can get the most bang out of your buck. So thank you guys so much for being a part of the Creativity Cave. I love stamping with you every week. Make sure that if you need any of these awesome items, you shop my online store. There's the links in the description of this video, and I would love to be your demonstrator. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.